Hello, and welcome to Wheel Joint, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for maintaining and troubleshooting your car. Today, I'm going to talk about a common issue that many Kia Sportage owners face. A sunroof that won't close or open automatically with just one button touch, where you have to hold the button to fully open or close the sunroof. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your sunroof system to get that convenient one-touch functionality back. This procedure is typically required when your vehicle's battery has been disconnected or discharged. Here's how to reset your sunroof system. First things first, start your engine. This will ensure you have the necessary power to reset the sunroof system. Make sure your sunshade and sunroof are completely closed if they were open. You want them to be in their fully closed position. Now, push the sunroof control lever forward in the direction of closing the sunroof. Hold it until you see the sunshade slightly move. Then, release the lever. After releasing the lever, push it forward in the direction of closing the sunroof once again. And there you have it, folks. Your Sportage sunroof system should now be reset. This means your one-touch open and close functionality should be restored, making your life a whole lot easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.